Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zoho Expense for 1099 and reimbursements, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Zoho Expense website. Look for the download section on the home page. Click on the download button. Select the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or mobile. If downloading for mobile, choose between the App Store or Google Play Store. Click on the relevant store link. For desktop users, once the download completes, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the prompts on the installation wizard to complete the setup. Once installed, open the Zoho Expense application. Create a new account if you don't have one, or log in using your existing credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Settings menu. Find the Tax Information section to set up your 1099 preferences. Input your tax details as required. Next, go to the Expenses tab to manage your reimbursements. Click on Add Expense to input any eligible expenses. Attach any required receipts for verification. Save your entries once you have added all necessary information. Finally, review all details before submitting for 1099 processing or reimbursements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.